Hello kids, let's learn a new concept today. Let's learn to find out which number is a big number. Okay, so for that, first we'll have to take two numbers for the comparison. First number is 5 and second number is 8. Okay, so in this number, we need to find out which number is big number. What do you think? Now we have a special animal to tell us which number is a bigger number. So this animal will eat off the number which is big. Okay, so let's find it out. Oh, there is a crocodile and 8 number is a big number. So he has eaten it. Did you like the did you understand it? Let's see one more example. Okay, now let's take two numbers. The first number is 7 and the next number is 4. So what do you think? Which number is a bigger number? Let's call the crocodile to find it out. So Mr. Crocodile is here. Oh, he is eating up 7 number. So which number is a bigger number? Number 7. Easy. Okay. You can also give me some more examples by mentioning it in the comment box. Thank you.